Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I'm going to show you how to create work centers. Work centers can be very useful, especially if you're a heavy manufacturing company and you have um, different assembly or manufacturing locations for different products across the warehouse, as well as if you're trying to create some sort of assembly line where different steps happen throughout the manufacturing process, both physically and theoretically, and just helps you organize all that stuff. So today I'm going to show you where you create those. So I'll jump back out to the main page here just to give you visibility again. We'll go to manufacturing, configuration, work centers. We have a couple that are already here in the system. You would just click new, name the center. So for in this instance, we'll say work station 1 for major appliance assembly. So there's all kinds of different things that you can add here. Designated work areas, what company it's for. If you have this type of information, what the percentage cost per hour is, and then at the same, you can also establish parameters for how long these different things should take at these workstations. And then you can also select which employees are working at these stations, and you can add a description for the workstation. So I'll do that too. I wish I could type a little better. And then the goal here is you'll create a multitude. So in the idea that we're creating an assembly line for this refrigerator, I'm just going to duplicate this, change it to 2, and briefly change the description. And again, this is just general. There's way more information you can put in here. And then, yeah, the goal of this is now you're going to start setting up this whole assembly workstation idea. And then the way it looks is if you go back to overview, you can see here that now we have these 2 specifically designated workstations for appliance assembly, more specifically refrigerators. And then in my next video, I will show you how you can designate which processes happen at each workstation through the manufacturing order. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.